Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on how I trade the news. This particular news was back on December the 1st of 2017. I'm going to show how I traded the Canadian news December the 1st at 8:30 in the morning. Unemployment change, GDP, and unemployment rate. So looking at the charts, we're looking at the Euro CAD or the Pound CAD, doesn't make any difference, they both were doing exactly the same thing. Anyhow, on the Euro CAD, either 5 minutes before, let's see, 5 minutes before, this was 5 minutes before the news, and or even half an hour before, approximately of course, we're looking for signals to take the trade. So this was my first signal right here, this one and this one, counting down at the bottom, the red, any one of these, 1, 2, the line 3, 4, the AO is red going down, line is below, at or below this line, the MACD line, and of course the bars are below the water line. So these were all triggers to sell. So if you're not in here, you're not taking a trade in here, you're going to wait for a pullback in between the two lines here, or the three lines. Could be in between these two or these two. Somewhere within here, we're pulling the trigger with a default of 20 pips. So I would be taking a trade anywhere in here. Let's just say it's here with a 20 pip stop. Let's see, with a 20 pip stop. I don't know where the 20 pip stop is, but let's 20 pip stop. We'll be up around here somewhere. A little bit higher, approximately there. And the target I will leave open, as the news will take off in 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'll just be managing the trade. So moving forward one candle at a time. This is 5 minutes before the news. We had a trigger here. We wait for the pullback to get in. And then this is the news right at 8:30 in the morning. And it took off as predicted, according to the pip trigger, was telling us in advance, whether it's 5 or 10 minutes or even 30 minutes or so before, to sell. 3 lines are in order here. So it tanked. And then we can check to see, within this 5 minutes right here, we're in here, our stop is 20 pips. 5 minutes gave us over 100, 112. Next 5 minutes, 136 and 148. So you're just going to take profit wherever you feel like. As soon as it's hesitating, stalling out, you can cash out. See, it's hesitating here. If it touches the line, whatever the case may be, you can get out. Anywhere across here, which is 170 pips. So the pip trigger was telling well in advance on the CAD news to take the trade. Take the trade, put in the default 20 pips using the auto stop right here, 20 and 20. Now to take profit, I would extend that, go much further down. But leave this 20 pip stop in. You always have to have a stop. So I would put the stop here, your entry, and you would cash out whenever you see it dying out. the news is dying out. And as you can see right here, the line's starting to go up, things are turning blue, so it's dying out. Anyhow, that's how I would trade the CAD news on December the 1st. If you have any questions, feel free to get back to me, Skype me or email me, and I'll be willing to answer your questions. Oh yes, and by the way, as I was saying, EuroCAD I showed you the EuroCAD, but I also love doing the pound CAD. Any of the pound pairs I really like doing. As you can see right in this area right here is doing exactly the same thing. The two lines cross here, the green, this one right here, red one, there's your pullback. This is your news right here. News was right here, and your trigger was here. Got some triggers back here too. Trigger, another trigger, another trigger. This is your pullback. There's your pullback right there. You're going to get in 5 or 10 minutes before with a 20 pip stop, which is up here, right there. And then as you can see, it moved. Even with the pound CAD, you would have been in right here, 20 pip stop. In 5 minutes, 129, 156, 170, and it continued down to over 200 pips. I really like doing the pound pairs. It really moves a lot, and the pip trigger tells you in advance to take the trade. It's going down. Everything is slanting down. See the green line going down, this red line going down, these bars are going down, red. When it's red, it's going down, and blue, it's going up. And of course, lots of red over here. And the bulls and the bears and the HA bars. So anyhow, as I said, have any questions, just Skype me or call me or email me. I'd be happy to answer your questions on how the pip trigger can work for you. Okay, good luck trading, everyone. Bye for now.